Here's a recipe for a fizzing foam that literally squeezes dirt out from the crevices of windows. It's like a magnet pulling it out, even from the tiniest gaps, without any need for scrubbing. Thanks to this, window cleaning becomes quicker, and with this recipe, you'll save a lot of time and frustration. Windows tend to collect quite a bit of dirt over time, and cleaning them can be rather annoying. Here's a straightforward recipe for a foaming cleaning solution. Pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Next, add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid and 100 milliliters of water. Mix it well and seal the bottle tightly. Sprinkle the window frame generously with baking soda. Don't forget to sprinkle it on the metal hardware as well, where stubborn, hard-to-remove dirt tends to accumulate. Now spray the soda with the mixture from the spray bottle. The soda and vinegar will react chemically, creating a fizzing foam. It's almost like magic as it effectively removes dust, even from the tiniest crevices. Additionally, it has whitening and disinfecting properties. Let the foam sit for 5 minutes. Afterward, wipe it off the frame with a damp sponge. It only takes one swipe to make the frame look like new. The foam extracts the dirt and carries it away. The window frame ends up clean, shiny, and snow white without the need to scrub the corners. This simple recipe is cost-effective and highly reliable.
Place a handful in the fridge, and you'll solve one problem for a long time. Just put it in a small container and place it in the fridge. This is a simple way to keep it working properly. For even better results, try this clever trick. Tear off 5 pieces of paper towel and fold them as shown in the video. Then, prepare a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them together. The salt effectively absorbs moisture, which is the main cause of unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix until you get a smooth consistency. Spread the mixture onto the prepared paper towel. The mixture will dampen the paper. Place the towel in the fridge. The baking soda and salt together will effectively absorb all the moisture and odors. Replace the towel weekly. I've been using this method for years, and I never have unpleasant smells in my fridge. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own. No glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Here's my secret for streak-free, shiny windows. The tannins act as a natural cleaner, removing grease and dirt. Grab a cup and a tea bag, make sure it's black tea. Pour hot water into the cup, filling it halfway. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. Then, take a spray bottle and funnel. Remove the tea bag and pour the tea into the spray bottle. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, which works as a degreaser and antibacterial agent. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, and your mixture is ready. Spray it on your windows and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all areas. After this trick, you'll get amazing results. This affordable homemade window cleaner will leave your windows sparkling clean. Remember, by brewing strong black tea and using it as a cleaning solution, you can achieve streak-free, shiny windows. Here's a method for dealing with those awful-smelling bugs. I'll show you how to use it to get rid of these unwanted pests. These bugs, known as brown marmorated stink bugs, are dangerous to plants. They're notorious for the unpleasant odor they release when threatened or crushed. If you spot one in your home, it's important to resist the urge to touch or squash it, as that will release its foul-smelling secretion. As the weather cools, stink bugs seek warmth and shelter, typically entering homes in late summer and fall. However, there's a tried-and-true method to avoid these bugs. All you need is a CD. Take a CD and tie a string to it. Simply hang it by the window, and the light reflecting off it will repel the bugs. Another very effective trick is to place the CD inside your plants. Many bugs hide under plant leaves, but the CD can easily deter these stink bugs and other pests. It's a cheap but very effective trick.